Watch. Courtroom footage from the final day of the Depp v. Heard trial. Friday was the final day of courtroom action in the defamation case between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, with both sides delivering their closing arguments at the Circuit Court in Fairfax County, Virginia. Thursday concluded weeks of testimony from both parties and a whole host of witnesses. With closing arguments now finished, the jury has begun its deliberations. Content warning: the embedded live feed comes direct from inside the courtroom, where strong language and references to content including sex, violence, and drug abuse are possible. Discretion is advised. Elon Musk tweets about Depp and Heard. If you've been reading below, you'll know that Elon Musk has been a part of this conversation, and over the weekend he took to Twitter, that platform he quite likes, to wish his ex-partner and her former husband a positive future. "I hope they both move on. At their best, they are each incredible," he tweeted on Saturday. As the jury was given a recess for the Memorial Day weekend, we may have expected Johnny Depp to have hidden away in some quiet retreat until their verdict was ready. Well, not exactly, although Depp is best known for his acting, having starred in films such as The Rum Diary, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, The Tourist, as well as in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. He is also a dab hand at the guitar, playing for the group Hollywood Vampires, which he set up in 2012 with Alice Cooper and Joe Perry. And over the weekend, as the jury deliberated, the man who made Jack Sparrow a household name was on stage as a surprise guest in Sheffield City Hall, England. It was part of Jeff Beck's European tour, and the crowd were amazed to see Depp sing his cover of the John Lennon song, Isolation. As you can in the article, there was a lot of love for the man on trial. On Friday, we watched the lawyers for both parties make their closing arguments, appealing to the jury to find in their client's favor. The judge then sent away the members of the jurors to deliberate, but that would quickly be interrupted with a 3-day recess for the Memorial Day holiday weekend, with them returning to continue tomorrow, Tuesday, May 31st. It is unclear exactly how long this process will take, possible just a few hours, or it could be that we don't have a verdict until later in the week. For those watching on, the question of potential consequences for either actor is front and center. How did Elon Musk and Amber Heard first meet? During the course of the trial, Depp has suggested that Heard began a romantic relationship with Musk before the actors had officially split. However, Heard describes the events differently, stating that she became friends with the Tesla CEO after Depp had stood her up at the 2016 Met Gala. The red carpet event took place in New York City on May 2, 2016, and Heard and Musk had been invited together as guests of Ralph Lauren. She has claimed that she was unable to check on Depp's whereabouts because he had thrown her phone out of the window. "I was standing in line right in front of a gentleman. It was Elon," Heard told the court. "I didn't recognize him at first. We started talking and he had reminded me that we had met once before. He seemed like a real gentleman. He was really nice," she added. "He sat at a nearby table and we got to speaking that night and then eventually became friends." Heard and Musk are thought to have dated on and off between 2016 and 2018, and he was named on her witness list for the trial. In the opening statements for the court case, Heard's lawyers said that Depp had been obsessed with Musk at the time. Carino, who had previously served as agent for both Heard and Depp, testified that Heard was dating Musk at the same time as she was attempting to reconcile with Depp. What nickname did Johnny Depp give Elon Musk in the texts read at the trial? Correspondence between Depp and Heard has been presented to the jury, as well as reams of messages sent from both parties to friends regarding their situation. On Wednesday, Depp's messages to his friend, talent agent Christian Carino, were read out in court, with reference to billionaire Elon Musk, who started a relationship with Heard after she had split with Depp. He referred to the Tesla CEO as mollusk on several occasions, writing, "Let's see if mollusk has a pair. Come see me face to face," Depp wrote. "I'll show him things he's never seen before. Like, the other side of his DK when I slice it off."